Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2019 Volkswagen Jetta Comfortline. Coming in this nice dark gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 1.4 liter engine, has front wheel drive capabilities. We got the lovely backup camera, the nice silver Volkswagen logo, we got the nice silver rims, got red brake calipers on here, blacked out trim, and moving to the front, we do get that license plate bracket and that nice Volkswagen grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space, which is always pretty handy. You can collapse your last row by just pulling that. And you do get your normal storage underneath with a tire pressure sealant kit. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, which is always pretty handy. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, there's your trunk, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 118,647 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, voice, toggle for your screen, playback, play forward, volume, cruise control, and you have your range, all that jazz. To my right here, we got our gear select, 12-volt park braking, auto stop, auto start, eco mode, cup holders, and storage. With your storage below. Got storage here as well with a USB, climate controls, heated front seats, storage below, hazards, and your nice big infotainment system with your radio with touch AM, FM, Bluetooth, media controls, car info. You can go for different widgets as well, which is always pretty handy. Got your phone apps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, MirrorLink. Setup so you can change all your languages, all that jazz, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera where we can also go through different settings on it, which is pretty cool. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8313, and you can head on into PG for it or give us a call.